retractable car charger 5-in-1 PD car phone charger is designed for drivers who want a clean, powerful, and highly convenient charging solution inside their vehicle. It combines multiple charging options into one compact unit, making it ideal for daily commutes, long road trips, ride-sharing drivers, and anyone who uses multiple devices on the go. The standout feature is its retractable cable system, which helps eliminate messy wires inside the car and keeps the dashboard organized while still giving you fast access to charging whenever needed. With PD fast charging support, this car charger is built to deliver high-speed power to compatible devices, reducing waiting time significantly compared to standard car chargers. Whether you're charging a smartphone, tablet, or other USB-powered gadgets, the output is designed to maintain stable and efficient power delivery. The multi-port setup adds even more flexibility, allowing multiple devices to charge at the same time without noticeable power drops, which is especially useful when passengers also need charging support. The 5-in-1 design makes it more than just a simple charger. It acts as an all-in-one charging hub for the car, reducing the need to carry extra cables or adapters. This is particularly useful for families or people who frequently switch between different devices. The retractable mechanism also adds durability benefits since it reduces cable tangling and wear over time, helping extend the overall lifespan of the product. In real-world use, the charger feels very practical. Plugging it into the car is simple, and once connected, it stays stable even on rough roads. The compact design ensures it doesn't take up unnecessary space around the dashboard or cigarette lighter port. It also helps maintain a safer driving environment by minimizing distractions caused by loose cables. For travel and everyday use, this charger is a strong upgrade compared to traditional single-port adapters. It brings convenience, speed, and organization into one device. While it may not replace high-end dedicated charging stations, it easily covers most users' needs with efficiency and reliability. For anyone looking to simplify in-car charging while keeping multiple devices powered, this is a solid and practical choice that delivers consistent performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.